the Holy Quran because he always gave reference. Yes.
We Ahmadiya understand that there is no difference between Nabi and Rasul.
Yes.
But in Surah Al-Ahzab, verse 41, Allah says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ما كان محمد أبا أحد من رجالكم ولكن رسول الله وخاتم النبيين.
Yes.
Allah, while describing in this verse the highest station of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has chosen Nabiyin and not a Rasul. What is the wisdom between this selection?
We said that we as Ahmadis, we know that there's no difference between Nabi and Rasul. Then we also came to know that in Surah Al-Ahzab, Allah said, Khatamun Nabieen. What is the wisdom that God did not choose Khatamur Rasool or Khatamul Mursaleen?
You see, Allah has not mentioned Khatamur Rasool, has He?
No.
So this shows that Nabieen applies to all Rasul as well, because He is Khatam of everybody. But this is the fine distinction. Nabi and Rasul are one and the same thing. That can be proved from other verses of the Holy Quran, where
آمنت باللہ و ملائکتہ و کتبہ و رسلہ لا نفرق بین احد من رسلہ.
آمنت باللہ و ملائکتہ و کتبہ و رسلہ لا نفرق بین احد من رسلہ. Do we make difference between Rasul and between any Nabi? So one should understand from the verses of the Holy Quran that there are two different names applied to the same person in his capacity, and the capacity to convey the message of Allah is mentioned in the word Rasul, and the capacity to give news of the future is mentioned under Nabi, lafz Nabi. So they are one and the same thing, but the capacities are different. In the capacity of conveying Allah's message, one is Rasul. In the capacity of giving information about the future, he is a Nabi. Right?